Welcome to the 5 minutes to a 5 video lecture. This is the introduction. This is a video series to prepare you for the AP Physics 1 tests. The goal and purpose of this video series, this is not a lecture series. There are no notes or core concepts will be explained here. There are other videos and texts out there that you can use to get that information from, like College Board and other video sources. What is missing out there are actually access to AP Physics 1 questions. While there are prep books like these, and they're close, like Greg Jackson actually has questions and writes for the exam, I believe that there are still lack of resources out there to reflect those questions. So the main goal of this prep course is to give you access to AP Physics 1 questions to practice from a person who submits and writes questions for the AP Physics 1 exam. Note that these questions are not public. You cannot find it in anywhere else except this channel. They're not privately owned by College Board, so I can release it because I made it. So how does it work? Let me show you an official question from the multiple choice that was released from the AP Physics 1 exam. Okay, the answer for this, the approach, you can see the steps here. They label the variables, look at the question mark, cross it out. They found an equation and they did some algebra to figure out the answer would be B. So I looked at it and I saw how and what purpose was this question trying to ask, and I designed a question like it. Okay, this is a good reflection of the prior question. It always starts with a scenario, and you should look at the question asked. Explain which student has the correct explanation, right? Student A's explanation reflects the answer choices A, C, and D. The correct answer was represented by student B, okay? And if you do this problem, you should see this explanation that gives you the same answer to this prior question. See that? Then also I will actually ask you to calculate it as well. And here's the answer. So this format that I created for the exam gives you a good mirror to prep you for it, because notice it's asking the same thing and the same concept, but it's just in another way. Okay, so how should you use this video series? One, you should always watch and listen to the problems. You should pause it and attempt the problem first by using your notes and looking in your textbook. Please understand that you're going to get it wrong the first time. It's okay, just have it down. Unpause the video, watch the rest of the video. Two things can happen. If you get it right, write down what you did correctly and in a color pen. If you get it wrong, write down what was the information you were missing. Did you make any bad assumptions, or was it just algebraic calculations? The realization that you get and the self-reflection that you get once you write it down will actually develop your content knowledge and develop a deeper mastery of the topics. All these videos are less than 5 minutes, and if you follow these steps, it will help you get a 5 on the exam. So please use this video series. Good luck on the AP Physics 1 exam.